Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will make wall hanging mandala. We will take a MDF board of 20 to 22 inches and we will color it blue. Now we will make circles with the help of a rounder and we'll make lines so that we can get a easy step to make dots. As we proceed ahead, we'll start with making dots. For making dots, I am using dot mandala tools. I am taking one big dot in the center of green color. Today I am using pastel colors over here. Now with the help of small dot mandala tool, I will make pink dots around the green dot. Make sure that you take equal quantity of color for each dot so that there is no mess up of dots. Now we'll make a second circle with the same small dots in between two pink dots. Now I am taking a lighter color pink and I am making the same dots around the third line. Now again I am taking green dots and with a thicker tool I am making these dots. Now with the help of a darker green color, make small dots around two green dots, between two green dots. Now I will make yellow dots. With the help of a big tool, I am making pink dots. The dots are slightly big, like from small to big we are doing the dots. With the help of flat dots, I am making green dots over here. Make sure the colors are equally in each dot. If you will not make equal colors, then you will face problems of the sizes. Now I'll make purple dots in between green dots. Now I am taking metallic silver color to make silver dots and then I'll make yellow dots in between silver dots. Now we will make small dots in between the circle yellow. With the help of a bigger tool, I am making pink dots with a 1 inch distance and completing the circle. Once the circle is completed, I am making a pattern from big to small with the help of dots. Make sure all the colors are equal and all the quantity of colors are also equal. Also, I want to add something. If you are making any color, make sure the color is made same, or you can do one thing. Um, you can make the full quantity of colors at one time only. Now, with the help of a tool, I am making strokes around the pattern. I am making strokes only one side right now, so that I the consistency is clear. Now one side I will make strokes and one side I am making dots over here. Be very careful while making dots. Now I will make yellow strokes, small strokes in between the patterns. With the help of a tool, I am making zigzag green color between yellow pattern. This needs practice. If you will practice easily, you will get these kind of patterns. These are very simple. Make metallic dots on green pattern. Now I am making purple strokes, and on the right and left side of the strokes I will be making swooshes. I will be making swooshes in 4 colors. Now firstly I will be making dot of pink color. Once these dots are made, I will do swooshes. Yes, so here we are with the swooshes. This needs a lot of practice. I am handy on this after a lot of practice. It's not easy because we have to see the quantity and thickness of the color and the brush so that it is not messed up, because everything should be equal. I am making purple swooshes over here, then I'll make yellow swooshes, a darker yellow and then a lighter yellow swoosh. So once we'll make this yellow swooshes all over the MDF board, all over the pattern, then I'll make a lighter shade of yellow. Wait and watch. So now I'm making a lighter shade of yellow, or you can say a darker shade. Now with the help of pink color, I'll make pink swooshes around. So you have to move the brush from thick to thin. So once you move to thick to thin, just आप अपना हाथ जैसे ही ब्रश रखते हैं ऊपर करते जाइए और बहुत ही सुंदर पैटर्न बनेगा. देखिए ये कितना खूबसूरत लग रहा है.